In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spell check in Constant Contact. If you are getting ready to send an email campaign, it is always a good idea to check your spelling before it goes out. Even a small typo can make your message look less polished. Constant Contact makes this process simple right inside the email editor, so you can quickly review your text and clean up any mistakes before sending. To begin, open your email campaign in the editor. Make sure you are inside the campaign you want to review, so you can access the content exactly as your readers will see it. Once the editor is open, go to any text area in your email and click inside a text block. This is important because the spell check tool appears when you are actively working in a section that contains editable text. After you click into the text block, look just above it for the formatting toolbar. This toolbar includes the tools you use to adjust and manage your text, such as formatting options and editing controls. In that toolbar, find the spell check icon. In many cases, this icon looks like a check mark over the letters A, B, and C. The exact appearance can vary slightly, but it is usually easy to recognize once the toolbar is visible. Click the spell check icon to start the review. Constant Contact will scan the text in that block and highlight words that may be misspelled. Take a moment to carefully review each highlighted word. Some may be genuine spelling errors, while others could be brand terms, product names, or custom language that the system does not recognize. When you see a highlighted word, click on the suggested correction, if the recommendation is accurate. This lets you fix the spelling quickly without retyping the word yourself. If the word is actually correct and you do not want to change it, you can choose to ignore it. If it is a word you use often and want the editor to remember, you can also add it to your dictionary. That can help save time in future campaigns and reduce unnecessary flags on words that are already correct. Go through each highlighted item until the text looks clean and accurate. It is a simple habit, but it can make a big difference in the quality of your emails. A careful spell check helps your campaign look more professional and easier to read. That covers everything you need to know.